Hello and welcome to Module 3. Now in this module we're going to set up the email autoresponder. But first of all, please make sure that you have already completed all the steps before you continue watching this video. That is extremely important because if you didn't complete all the steps, this module here is not going to make any sense. In this module, you will learn what is an autoresponder and how it works, the two options for an autoresponder, and inside each one of those options, you will learn how to set up your autoresponder list, and then how to link this list with your capture pages, and finally testing your system to make sure that it is working fine. So what's an autoresponder? Simply, an autoresponder is a software that you can use in order to manage your email list by saving all of your email subscribers in that autoresponder. So it's a place to save all of those emails. Also, you'll be able to use it to send broadcast email messages and set up email follow-up sequence, and also you'll be able to do list segmentation. Now, the email broadcast simply is an option that will allow you to send broadcast messages to all of your list subscribers at once. For example, if you have an email list of 10,000 subscribers and you want to send them a broadcast, you'll be able to type that email and send that broadcast to all of those 10,000 subscribers at once. And this is great if you want to promote something new that have just been released. But the other type of messages is the autoresponder follow-up sequence. And this is simply a series of email messages set up to be sent automatically to your list subscribers in specific intervals. For example, if one subscriber subscribed to your capture page today, the system will automatically send them an email on day 0. That will be day 0 because instantly when they subscribe, they are going to receive that email. And this can be a welcome email. It will be message number 1. And 24 hours later, which is day 1, the system will automatically send them message 2. Another 24 hours later, that's day 2, will send them message number 3, and so on. Day 3 will send them message number 4. Day 4 will send them message number 5. And in some days, you can set it up to send no messages. For example, in day 5, no messages. Day 6, you can send them another message, which can be message number 6. Day number 7, and so on. You'll be able to set up unlimited number of email follow-up sequence. So this is great to automate your marketing because every subscribers, when they subscribe, they're going to start receiving those emails automatically. You just need to set them once, and the system will keep sending them to all of your subscribers automatically based on the intervals you set up. And by the way, you're going to get some done for you follow-up sequence in order to add to your autoresponder. So how an email autoresponder works? Firstly, once you send people to your capture page, which is the first page in your funnel with this opt-in form, a percentage of those visitors will opt in or subscribe here. If they are interested to learn more about your business, then they are going to be redirected to the bridge page where they watch the video here, and percentage of them are going to take action and click on this button to be redirected to the steps page. So they start taking action and joining the programs through your affiliate links. But here at the same time, once they subscribe here, they're going to be automatically added to your email list, and that will be through your email autoresponder or list management system. And through this autoresponder, you'll be able to send them automated follow-up messages or broadcast messages back to this bridge page. So those who didn't take action from the first time, they're going to be sent to the bridge page again. A more percentage of those people will take action. And also you'll be able to set up other follow-up messages to send those people to the steps page so they can go through the steps. And after that, you'll be able also to promote other affiliate offers and make more commissions. And as we said, you'll be able to send those messages through the follow-up sequence or the broadcast emails. Now we have two options for the autoresponder. The first option is using the Leadsleap List Manager. Option 2 is using a third-party autoresponder. Now, you have to select only one of those two options to set up your autoresponder. You won't be able to select both of them. Now, let me tell you firstly about option number 1, which is using the Leadsleap built-in list manager. If you are a free Leadsleap member, you can use the email broadcast feature that will be available for you, but the follow-up sequence will not be available for you as a free member. If you upgrade it to Pro member, you'll be able to use the email broadcast, and also you'll be able to set up the follow-up sequence. So I highly recommend to start as a Pro from the beginning. If you cannot start as a Pro, don't worry. Your email subscribers will be saved there and you'll be able to send them messages. And in the future, as soon as you upgrade to Pro member, you will be able to use the feature of the follow-up sequence and set up your follow-up sequence messages. And a great thing about this membership that the Pro membership is much less expensive than the third-party autoresponder in the long run. But with this simple autoresponder, you will not get all the advanced features that you will need in the future. Those features actually will be available only in the third-party autoresponder. Now, option 2, third-party autoresponder. With the third-party autoresponder, obviously you'll be able to send email broadcasts and you'll be able to set up follow-up sequence. Also, you will have more options to manage your email list subscribers, and you will get all the advanced features you will need in the future, so you don't have to worry about a thing. However, it will be a little bit more expensive in the long run because at the beginning you may pay a little bit less, but once your list grows to a specific limit, you're gonna start paying more and more and more every time your list grows. For example, on some third-party autoresponders, it's gonna start with $15 per month, but that will be up to 1,000 subscribers. Once you exceeded 1,000 subscribers, you have to pay $45 or $47 per month. Once you hit more than 5,000 subscribers and up to 10,000 subscribers, maybe you have to pay up to $76 per month, and so on. The monthly membership will be increasing as you are growing your email list. But at the end, you'll get all the features you need, and you won't need to move on to another autoresponder in the future because you have everything here. So, what do you have to do now? All what you have to do here is to pick only one of the two options below, then follow the setup process of that option only. And you'll find two buttons under this video to access those options. The one on the left will be option 1, which is the Leadsleap List Manager, and the other option on the right hand side under this video will be the third-party autoresponder. So just pick one of them. Don't try to go through both of them because you will be confused and you won't set up the system properly. So decide which option is better for you. If you are not yet sure, go back and watch this video again and decide at the end which option is better for you. Then click on the right button under this video to start setting up your autoresponder using that option only. And after you set it up, you can continue to the next module.